A Washington State Patrol trooper has been taken into custody for their involvement in a deadly car crash late last night. According to a press release from the WSP chief, it happened in Richland. The trooper was off duty and driving their own personal car. The Richland Police Department is conducting an independent investigation. The WSP chief releasing a statement today reading in part, quote, "We are reminded in times like these that law enforcement officers are not immune from tragedy, not from personal accountability, and we urge all motorists to always drive with focus, care, and caution."